How do you calculate Spearman correlation in Python? Imagine trying to find out how two sets of data move together without assuming they follow a straight line. That's where the Spearman correlation comes in. It helps us see if one variable tends to increase or decrease as the other does, even if the relationship isn't perfectly linear. If you're working with data that doesn't follow normal patterns or has outliers, Spearman's method is a great choice. To do this in Python, you use a function called Spearmanner from the SciPy stats module. First, you need to import it like this. From SciPy stats import Spearmanner. Next, prepare your data into lists or arrays. For example, if you have to list like is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and y is equal to 5 for 3, 2, 1, these are your paired observations. To find the correlation, just call Spearmanner, x, y, and store the results into variables like row and p-value. The row is the correlation coefficient, which ranges from -1 to +1. A value close to 1 means a strong positive relationship, while a value near -1 indicates a strong negative relationship. 0 means no correlation at all. The p-value tells you if this correlation is statistically significant. If the p-value is less than 0.05, it suggests the correlation is unlikely to be due to chance. You can print the results with print, Spearman correlation coefficient, row and print, p-value, p-value. For example, if your data shows a perfect negative correlation, the output will be -1.0 for the coefficient, and the p-value will be very tiny, indicating high significance. You can also calculate Spearman correlation for columns in a Pandas data frame by passing the columns as arrays to Spearmanner. This method is useful when analyzing multiple variables at once. Remember, Spearman's method ranks the data points first and then calculates the Pearson correlation on these ranks. It's a handy tool when your data doesn't meet the assumptions of linearity or normality. Overall, using SciPy, stats, Spearmanner, makes calculating Spearman correlation in Python simple and effective, perfect for your data analysis projects.